The female reproductive system, a masterpiece of biology designed for the creation of life and profound pleasure. It begins within the pelvis. These strong bones form a protective cradle for the delicate organs hidden inside. Here is the system in isolation: the ovaries, the fallopian tubes, the uterus, and the cervix. The vagina is a muscular, elastic canal. Its walls are lined with folds called rugae, allowing it to stretch significantly. At the top of the canal sits the cervix, a strong, donut-shaped gatekeeper that connects the vagina to the uterus. The uterus is a powerhouse. Its thick, muscular walls are capable of immense expansion and contraction. Inside lies the endometrium. This nutrient-rich lining thickens every month, preparing to nurture a potential pregnancy. Extending outward are the fallopian tubes. Their delicate finger-like ends, called fimbriae, hover over the ovaries. The ovaries are the jewels of the system. They store thousands of eggs and produce essential hormones like estrogen. Each cycle, several follicles begin to mature, but usually only one reaches full dominance, ready for release. This is ovulation. The follicle bursts, releasing the egg, a fleeting moment of opportunity for life to begin. Within the tubes, tiny hairs called cilia create a wave-like motion, gently guiding the egg toward the uterus. Anatomy is tight. The uterus sits directly on top of the bladder, which is why pregnancy often causes frequent urination. If fertilization doesn't happen, the hormone levels drop, the lining sheds, resulting in menstruation, and the cycle resets. Complex, resilient, and cyclical. The female anatomy is a biological universe working in perfect harmony.